Hello friends! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your car loses acceleration, hesitates, or even goes into limp mode. You check the obd2 scanner and it shows code P0224, throttle or pedal position sensor or switch B circuit intermittent. What does this mean and how can you fix it? Let's break it down. Diagnostic trouble code P0224 means there is an intermittent issue with the throttle position sensor or the accelerator pedal position sensor. These sensors send signals to the engine control module to control throttle response. Symptoms of P0224 include: check engine light is on, poor acceleration or hesitation, throttle not responding properly, engine stalling or rough idle, and limp mode activation, which restricts power to prevent damage. This issue can cause dangerous driving conditions, especially when you're trying to accelerate. To diagnose and fix P0224, check these critical components. The throttle position sensor, which is located on the throttle body near the intake manifold, the accelerator pedal position sensor, found on the accelerator pedal assembly inside the cabin, the throttle body and wiring harness where you should check for loose, damaged, or corroded connections, and the engine control module, which is typically located in the engine bay or under the dashboard. A faulty throttle position sensor, or accelerator pedal position sensor, can cause erratic throttle behavior and trigger the P0224 code. So let's break down the most common causes of a P0224 code. First up, a faulty throttle position sensor. If this sensor fails or sends erratic signals, the engine control module just can't control the throttle properly. Next, a faulty accelerator pedal position sensor. A damaged APP sensor can cause incorrect throttle inputs, which is definitely not what you want. Wiring issues are another culprit. Loose, corroded, or damaged wires between the TPS, APP, and ECM can lead to some pretty intermittent signals. Then, there's a dirty or stuck throttle body. If the throttle plate is sticking because of carbon buildup, it can really mess with those sensor readings. And finally, although it's pretty rare, an ECM or PCM malfunction. If the ECM is faulty, it might misinterpret sensor signals. Alright, if you're ready to tackle this issue, here are the steps you should follow. Step 1. Inspect the throttle position sensor. If you find it's damaged, go ahead and replace it. Step 2. Check the accelerator pedal position sensor for any signs of wear or failure and replace it if necessary. Step 3. Inspect the wiring and connectors around the throttle body and accelerator pedal. Make sure to fix any damaged wires you come across. Step 4. Clean the throttle body to get rid of any carbon buildup that could cause sticking. And finally, step 5, use an obd2 scanner to clear the code, then take your car for a test drive. If the issue comes back, you might need to dig a little deeper with further diagnosis. Ignoring a P0224 code can lead to poor engine performance and even unsafe driving conditions. Fixing it early, though, ensures smooth throttle response and better fuel efficiency. If you're unsure about any of these steps, it's always a good idea to visit a professional mechanic. And hey, if you want to learn more about obd2 error codes, check out these next videos. P0157, which covers oxygen sensor circuit low voltage for bank 2, sensor 2, and P0158, which is all about oxygen sensor circuit high voltage for bank 2, sensor 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for tuning in, and happy wrenching.